Welcome to the Piping Engineering YouTube channel.
We are starting a video series about flanges used in pipe fabrication. Flanges are the construction element used to connect pipes, valves, pumps to form a piping system. In other words, it is the connection used to join the pipes. Flanges are standardized according publications from organizations like ASME, MSS, API and others. Flange dimensions for pipes ranging 1/2 to 24, in classes ranging 150 to 2500. The vital types of flanges are weld neck flanges, slip-on flanges, socket weld flanges, lap joint flanges, threaded flanges, and blind flanges. In this video we will learn about types of weld neck flanges. What is a weld neck flange? It is very easy to identify a weld neck flange from the appearance because it has a high, tapered hub like a neck. Weld neck flange is welded to pipe with full penetration weld. It also has the effect of dispersing pressure, making the pipe less deformable. This flange kind is made use of, generally, in high-pressure and also high/low temperatures applications that call for an unrestricted flow of the fluid conveyed by the piping system. There are two types of weld neck flanges, which are standard and long. Standard weld neck flanges are used in butt weld fittings. Long weld neck flanges are used with vessel nozzles and equipment. The flanges are created to match the pipe's inside diameter or fitting. Weld neck flange is available in all sizes and it can be FF, RF, or RTJ type. Flat-faced flange, abbreviated as FF, is a flange that is machined flat and does not have a ridge like a raised face or ring-type joint flange. The flat surface allows for the gasket to have full contact with the entire mating surface. Most commonly used facings for weld neck flanges are raised face and ring-type joint. What is RF raised face flange? Raised face is one kind of seal type of flanges. It means the gasket surface is higher than bolting circle face. This seal face is the most common used one not only among weld neck flanges. What's more, the height of raised face is changing based on the diameter of flanges. By the way, the seal face is on the opposite of the hub side. Weld neck flange RF is the most commonly used flange type which has safety and leak-proof connection. Weld neck flanges are one of the most commonly used flanges in the piping industry. What is the RTJ, ring-type joint, weld neck flanges? An RTJ flange or ring-type joint flange is one of the various types of flanges used widely in piping and pipeline industries. A ring-type joint flange, RTJ, is a machined metallic ring with a deep groove cut into its face. This groove rests a metal ring which gets compressed when the connecting bolts of the flange are tightened. This compression results in a leak-proof, close-fitting seal on the pipe or connection. The RTJ flange, ring-type joint, is designed for high-pressure and/or high-temperature pipeline applications. The RTJ flanges are usually preferred for class 600 and higher ratings and/or when service temperature exceeds 800 degrees Fahrenheit 427 degrees Celsius. A ring-type joint flange is substantially different from other types of flanges used in the piping and pipeline industry. Weld neck flanges are made from various materials like carbon steel, stainless steel, low-temperature carbon steel, duplex and super duplex steel, alloy steel, etc. Most commonly used dimensional standards for weld neck flanges are ASME 16.5, ASME 16.47, MSS SP 44. ASME 16.5. This standard provides dimensions for weld neck flanges for size range 1/2 to 24 and for ratings 150 #300 #400 #600 #900 #1500 and 2500 Classes 150 and 300 pipe flanges and companion flanges of fittings are regularly furnished with 1.6 mm (0.06 inches) raised seal face, which is in addition to the minimum flange thickness. Classes 400, 600, 900, 1500, and 2500 pipe flanges and companion flanges of fittings are regularly furnished with 6.5 mm (0.25 inches) raised seal face, which is in addition to the minimum flange thickness. ASME B16.47, large diameter steel flanges. This standard provides dimensions only for weld neck flanges and blind flanges for size range 26 to 60. Rating class designations provided are 75, 150, 300, 400, 600 and 900. MSS SP44, steel pipeline flanges. While these flanges are designated by the customary ANSI standard class 150, 300, 400, 600, and 900, their use is almost entirely confined to cross-country transmission pipelines at atmospheric temperatures. PN types of weld neck flanges are also used in fabrication. PN stands for pressure nominale. The numerical value written after PN specifies the flange's max applicable pressure in bar, at a reference temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. For example, the cold working pressure of PN10 flanges roughly equates to 10 bar, PN16 to 16 bar and so on. Simply said, it's a classification system for flanges mostly used in European standards for installations in European countries. Another designation, DN, stands for diameter nominale, which is used with the term PN to specify the size of flange. DN is rough translation of imperial sizes in metric. So a 2-inch, which is 2x 25.4 equals 50.8 mm, imperial flange stated as DN50, national flange standards in Europe now have largely been superseded by the European EN 1092 series. DIN EN 1092/1 Type 11 weld neck flanges. This European standard for flanges contains pressure ratings of PN10, PN16, PN25, PN40, PN63, PN100, PN160, PN250, PN320 and PN400. What is PCD? PCD is called as pitch circle diameter. PCD of a flange is one of the critical dimensions, usually measured in millimeters. It is usually used to measure the distance between the two opposite holes. It is the diameter of the circle that passes through every bolt holes.
If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.